Have you ever been wondering, looking for which car you can buy that is cheap, reliable, and petrol efficient in the market? Here is my Nissan Micra 1.4i 2005 model that is so reliable, petrol efficient, cheaper to maintain, and then I found it so cheap at an auction. This car does around 600 kilometers with a half tank of fuel, and then I'm doing around 1,500 kilometers each and every week. I bought this car April 2025, and then now by the time of recording this video, it is November 2025. I have done around 45,000 kilometers in this car, and then it is still extremely reliable. It is doing everything that I can do with other car brands, your BMWs that I once owned, and then it performs so well, efficient, it runs so fast, and cheaper to maintain. The aesthetics of this car is looking so beautiful. You can see the rear lights, they are kind of like decorated. They look like modern, although they are 20-year-old. It has some beautiful views, beautiful aesthetics. There, your left view, the car is still looking intact, although I acquired some minor dents. I found it so completely intact, although there I know how those dents became. It's myself, I know what I did. And then you can see your lights there. And then on your left headlamp, you can see one parking light is missing. We were replacing some of the bulb, and then we in a rush, we forgot to put that park light, and then I will put it back. It's a DIY job, very easy to do. Most of the thing on a Nissan Micra, if you are keen to do yourself, they are doable, and then it's not a complicated car at all. Most of the thing with Nissan Micra, the space is so small there, so most of the mechanical work, when it's supposed to be done, front bumper has to be off, so you need to be diligent in terms of assembling back. You can see there my mudguard is missing. One of the indie shop couldn't put it back, although I'm having them in the boot. When I have time myself, I'll put back, and then there I'm showing some dents that I have acquired myself. Other thing that it doesn't have now is a number plate light. Although I have practiced myself, I'm not a mechanic. However, I have learned how to replace this light, so I will do it when I'm having time, because I'm always on the road, busy doing my businesses, moving around in this car with a low maintenance reliability. I'm always arriving where I'm going on time without any hesitation. And then coming to interior, you can see all the front doors are having electric window. And then as you can see, everything is working as it's supposed to be. When you are winding up, it winds up, winding down, it winds down. And then my cockpit inside, remember for this motor, because most of the things are cheaper, when you want to fix some of the things, you will just think of putting the engine down. So I have replaced the engine. When we put the new engine back there, we couldn't connect the temperature sensor, so the fan is always running, as yet you see some of the dashboard lights, but we'll have time and then switch them off. Otherwise, I recommend Nissan Micra 1.4 2005 model. It's so cheap in the market, it's petrol efficient, it's cheap to replace, maintenance, and fix some of the things. I will show you videos of some of the things that I have replaced that was cheaper and doable, considering that this car is always on the road, week in and week out.